classmate. I was wondering if these seats were only for the recognized.
I was a child development major and also a cheerleader here at UAPB. I always enjoy the festivities when I come back each year. The only thing I don't like is having it on the parking lot because we don't have as many attendees, but it's always a festive time and a time to regroup and reunite with classmates and alumni and my sorority sisters. So I take the pilgrimage from Texas every year and enjoy the homecoming festivities.
I have majored in business administration. I pledged Delta Sigma Theta in spring '85, and I come back every year from Houston, Texas because I enjoy the festivities, being able to see classmates from the past and just have a great time. I am excited about what's going on here in Pine Bluff, Arkansas at UAPB.
Looking forward to a meeting today with our classmates and getting everything planned to have a very memorable meeting next year.
This college has done some great things for the community over the years, and that's one of the things that I love about the HBC is that we reach out to do things in the community to keep things moving forward.
It's a happy celebration for 2022. Looking forward to meeting all our alumni, students, friends, faculty. Enjoy.
Well, we stay involved through the communication through our local alumni association there in Kansas City, Missouri, which is a strong organization. But we also stay connected through the media from the college, and the college does a very good job of staying in contact with the Alumni Association to keep us involved with what's going on.
Jackie Kayson, class of 1960, and I'm also the president of UAPB Chicago Alumni.
Class of 1972, UAPB, former athlete, former everything.
It's been amazing. It's so good to be back to a really great homecoming. A lot of folks have come out. They are enjoying themselves. Lots of tailgating. It's going to be an exciting day today.
We had a great time at the Alumni Assembly. It was an exciting time to see so many alumni coming back to the university and all of them gathering in the parking lot of the football stadium. Everybody wearing black and gold, everybody festive. It was a great event.